Right, so hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. So quickly today, guys, we are going to cut and sew this agbada. Okay, you can see this is the fabric I have right here, and over there that's the embroidery. I'm going to show you how you can buy the embroidery, come sit in your shop comfortably and make your agbada without having to go to a designer. Alright, so this is a fabric that is 2 trouser lengths. Okay, this fabric is 2 trouser lengths. Okay, and that is okay for us to make our agbada. So first, you see I folded it to get the center line horizontal and vertical. All right, so having identified the midpoint, okay, I'm going to place the embroidery, okay, at the center here. This is the center. So I'm going to bring my embroidery. This is my embroidery, as you can see. Okay, it's already made, so I just bought it. Okay, we're going to get the center of the embroidery to match with the center of the fabric. All right, and I will adjust carefully. Okay, I'm taking it like 1 inch behind. You can see the center line there, so you see the way I pushed it behind by just 1 inch. You can see this is the down part. I also identified the center of the embroidery, so that the center will match with the center line on the fabric, so that everything should be properly aligned. Okay, so we're now going to use this rule, and just watch carefully what I'm going to do. I'm going to mark out the edges, okay, of the embroidery carefully, or mark it out. Carefully mark it out. So you can see what I've done. Okay, so from this point now, I'm going to, mind you, this what we are doing here, this is the good side of the fabric. Okay, this that we are doing is on the good side of the fabric.